Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocoa-dusted truffles. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. We're using 8 ounces of good quality dark chocolate, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Finely chop the chocolate and set it aside in a heat-proof bowl. Gently heat the cream and butter in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer. Once your cream and butter are simmering, pour this hot mixture directly over your chopped chocolate. Let it sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes to allow the chocolate to melt. Then, gently stir from the center outwards until you achieve a smooth, glossy ganache. Now, chill this ganache in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until it's firm enough to easily scoop. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener for a fresh scent. It's a simple way to keep things pleasant. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. After chilling, scoop small portions of the firm ganache. Quickly roll these into 1-inch balls between your palms. Next, roll each truffle in a shallow dish filled with unsweetened cocoa powder, ensuring it's completely coated. Arrange your beautiful cocoa-dusted truffles on a serving plate. They are best enjoyed fresh, but can be stored in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.